years of madness.
I keep watching people naughty, man. This road we go, we come and we draw.
Hello my people on a D. It's another fantastic compilation here, so make sure to watch to the very end because this is by far going to be the best you've ever seen. So subscribe if you're yet to do that and share this video, it's very important. So don't play my good people, let's go have some fun.
This is 87 million naira.
87 million? I better go make it no go enter inside Peter, I don't know.
Better don't carry it 7 million naira chain go.
Oh my, don't go far.
Yeah, you go far. Boss, I beg you know this guy.
Far.
Do you know this guy?
Together.
Okay, now gather day.
We gather day.
So about me chill like day now. I would calm down. I just need catapult.
Wait moment.
So we can just okay, no wait, now if you just do adverts for you the way we always do them now. You know, say this one now like
first.
You trust me, I get fan base now.
Forget, forget that.
Officer, don't carry me yet now. Wait, I can do guys patronize for all your type of gold.
You?
Not be your girlfriend be that.
All this I trust my wife. Calm down, no.
How will this one?
But they struggle. I don't want peace.
Where should they go?
I am more dangerous than anything you can think of. This man!
Can you imagine? This woman is cheating on me. I won't condone cheating in my marriage. No. This woman, they come on and they talk with man. God. So. I catch you. Jesus, tell me then catch you.
Madam, now the man they tell you about. We sleep with me last night. 1 naira, you know, give me. Before I go wake up, this man don't leave me come out. This healthy poor man.
Jesus.
Now my husband be that though. You? No worry, follow me go house. That house, he must come back that house. And when he come back, you see that's your money. He go give you that your money. No wahala.
Jesus. Nigeria is not safe for me anymore. Ghana, here I come. Ghana receive me in good health and in good condition.
Nigeria they go.
Alright guys, come together. They don't drop 100k. But I'm going to pay you guys to 200 naira as your leader, and I will take the remaining. You all know that I've put so much effort for this dancing crew to go higher. So that's the reason why I'm going to take the life. Apako, what's the problem? Secretness. Apako, if you want to go, you go. Mama, when you don't see the 600 naira chop. Please stop. What's happening here? So you know I'm their leader. I personally formed this dance crew. Tell them how much you want to pay us. I told them I'm going to pay them 200 naira just for today's work. Maybe from next time I will increase it. And imagine he started fighting me. You teach me that? You shouldn't cost a fight. You know what? Just give me your best in this promo. Instead, I will appreciate you from my own pocket. Is that okay? Okay, sir.
Money shouldn't be a problem.
Oyibo, thank you. Don't worry. How about you? Alright, bonanza. KGSB remains the most accurate platform for sport prediction. All you have to do is to join their Telegram channel. It is for free.
5 years of madness.
De ce millénaire, pour la santé et la paix retrouvée en Afrique et partout dans le monde.
DJ Best.
Like I said before, KGS remains the most accurate platform when it comes to sport prediction. How does if you join this KGB channel? All you have to do is click the link on my bio comment section to join the Telegram channel.
Come on, true. I joined for free.
This road we go, we come and we draw.
It is very shameful that you can say that man. What did
Hey babe. Let's get me some designers from HY store.
Let's have it.
Babe, there's nothing like that here, honestly.
It's okay.
Are you sure?
I go live for you.
I lie. Babe, switch to video call. You know I've missed you. Let me see your face.
Hey! My God, oh.
Men are cheats, men are liars, men are scum, men are scam, men will stain your wife.
There's a jewelry store behind you. Baby, get me enough jewelries. You know I love jewelries a lot.
I mean, only say escape poverty, Abi.
Okay, no problem. Just give me 1 second. Let me get it.
Okay, babe, I'm waiting.
Lowest jewelry, $3,000. I'm not sure that this guy follow for one of the game. I'm going to see this X-Mas.
Work hard, sweat. Come carry the money give you when not a bit work. You go.
He's coming. Baby, I did it.
Did what?
Get out. Who are you? Get out.
To surprise you.
You don't need to surprise me. I love your body the way you are. Why will you do BBO without my consent? No, you keep it there, right? Leave. I never want to see you again. Get out from here, you leave.
A very wicked man. A wicked man. And who are you?
Shut up your mouth. What do you mean who I am? Why am I just wicked like this? Why are you wicked?
Oh, really?
How can a woman go under the knife just to please you and this is how you can treat her?
Body go tell you.
Look at him. If you don't want this mashed, you do. If he doesn't want this mashed, there are men out there that do. Mr. Macaroni, Tunde Not Nasboi, name them, Soso Bereko. All these men need this mashed. If you don't want it, we do.
I wanted to surprise him. Yeah. I wanted to show him that I know other females are always believe their man because of frontal.
Yes, women believe their men for frontal.
I wanted us to cut costs.
You wanted to look at a woman you sent away. A woman that wants to cut costs for you, and this is how you treat her.
On your bed, yeah.
I beg, why not people?
Men like women that cut costs.
No cut costs from you. If you want cut anything, cut light. You be cutist. I beg you.
I cut the waka for you. Shame that they catch me.
Wow. Beautiful girls like you guys. What are you doing under the fruit tree?
Hello, who be beautiful girl for years?
I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to her.
Better.
Wow. Can I join you guys?
Are you serious?
Your head fit carry am.
Come off it. My head no fit carry waiting. Okay. You know waiting this head don't carry. The only thing we remember this head never carry in Nigeria.
Baba, you just say you fit carry Oyana.
Wow.
Let's have it.
This is just what you.
What's going on here?
Democracy. 1975.
God have mercy.
The Arabians. They colonized Nigerians. Why? For what?
Help us.
Just because of democracy. Democracy.
Just one way you drag. You don't need to talk them.
Don't worry, they come back. Arabians. They colonized Nigeria. Democracy.
Young man, bloody civilian like you, you're walking on the street and smoking.
Have you heard of democracy?
Are you normal?
Small boy like you talking to me. Democracy, be careful.
No worry, your eye go clear now.
Jesus! You don't slap my pikin for Lagos, so.
Body go tell you.
Bringing development to my village. Top gift card. How your village will even be pushed like this? Where are you now?
Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all I see? Where are you now? Where are you
Let this guy from the bring all these people comes. Bro, what's happening? The ghosts are very angry.
Hell!
What's going on here?
Hell!
It's okay.
Holy shit,
You a
it's
man,
sweet,
calm
please.
down. It's okay.
Bro, my fellow man, they go carry enjoyment. Me, I go carry diabetes.
Hell! Arthritis with a touch of diabetes. Okay, sugar.
See, if you test what I test now, if you test what I test now,
What do you
you
test?
get us to go take chop one day. You go just chop you.
Always open. Oh, okay, look.
Hell! Hey, oh, the panel also. Hell!
Are you okay?
Just by me looking alone, my blood sugar is going up.
Awkward heart failure.
Hell! Alele. Alele.
Why are you crying?
Why didn't you tell me that you are this sweet?
I
don't understand what you're saying, babe.
Okay. This thing you are carrying on your waist, why did you tell me that you are this sweet? I don't know what to put there. Assuming you told me on time, I would have known how to prepare myself, to know how to digest it.
Safety measures first.
Wait, so babe, is that why you're crying?
Yeah? Oh, you are asking me. Is it not enough to cry?
Oh, what do we wrong? We wouldn't want mad.
But babe, now it's not my fault that in my family, we are so sweet in my family. Come on now.
They are too sweet in their family.
You should have told me on time. You should have told me. Let me know how to prepare myself. My career, I don't have my career so now. This is how my career is gone. See, please, I need to concentrate on my life. Okay. You see now, you need to give me some space. Let me concentrate. You can't be this sweet. You can't be this sweet.
They go now. Can't you see that your presence is already turning him on? I'm man about you. Next time I'm happy.
They go.
They don't take that, they
It's not my
discharge
fault
you.
now. It's God's gift.
They go now.
What's him not in here? God's gift. What's him not in here? See, that thing where Banky W test will make him quit music. Now I might just test now. If I continue like this, my career will end. This career will just start.
Jesus.
Beautiful girl, what is a young lady like you doing out there by this time of the night?
The person I came to see left me stranded. And my phone is even off.
You know what? Feel at home, Give me a minute, I'll be right back. Asa.
Thank you. Oh, you're such a good Samaritan.
I don't trust this guy.
God have mercy upon us.
That thing where you want to try so now 500k.
Jesus! Jesus!
Hey! Bros, why are you 500k? You cannot even price.
What's going on here? Up to something, don't be smarting. Check my melody, stop the darling.
Dara?
Had it been you called me over and want me 3 up on time, I for just transfer small thing now through my palm pay or pull hand for my pocket, use my palm pay. My over and want me to go up. That boy where your mother they sent your code that year don't wear white. Since morning never stayed. How are you?
I'm fine. You look good.
God did. That year I was expressing my innermost contemplation they give you. So make I prove them. How broke boy want to prove love?
Boy, you should understand now.
That's in what I don't understand then. Now I understand them. I'm still interested in you though. Or make I prove them.
Oh yeah, prove them.
Oh yeah, enter motor.
Oh, this guy is such a nice guy.
I don't trust this Dara. I don't trust this Dara.
Oh my god, even took her for shopping.
Hello, welcome to Stylist Symbol. What do you want?
What do I know? I'm only here to pay bills. My credit card is ready for debit. Cause I do your thing now.
Yeah, you heard me
Right back door.
They even went for spa date. What a wig! Unlike some people here that don't even know the price of a wig.
Oh, chim!
Talk less of to buy for a woman.
You need to get dressed and start going.
Jesus! Are you okay?
I don't understand.
What part of my sentence are you finding difficult to understand? I say you need to get dressed, get your stuff and leave. I'm done.
I thought I was supposed to spend the night with you.
Well, that was the plans, but everything happened so fast. I thought you would have stressed me. But I don't say who no get money, they set rules for. Or who get money, they break rules for. Please go, I'm done.
So you mean all of this was just to have my body? Okay.
What else? I'm asking you, what else? First way you not accept when you don't get money. You want me to accept you when you don't get money? Listen, the plans was to satisfy my poor cravings.
Jesus.
And the truth is that he really worth it. I don't confirm I'm saying even when I did broke, I get high test. And you don't also confirm I'm saying it's not by energy. They still put effort, maybe they still break up with you. That one day. I beg they go, I'm done, eh?
You are very, very wicked. I've always known you as this.
Oh yeah, baby, get to make me jembe. What's going on
Babe, let me see what you're watching.
No, babe, don't worry. You won't like this one, eh?
Not everything you see on social media you have to believe.
This one pay now. I thought I'm saying.
I'm 30, I'm getting 40. I think I'm okay, I'm way to God.
Yeah, what? Take it, sir. Egg basa. Matola. Matini. Matawadu. Abegba. Egg basa. Igwe obara.
Babe.
Following me, please. You're embarrassing me.
Babe, come.
What am I doing with you?
But I told you I'll buy Bond Street.
I
will get you the Bond.
I can't.
Why are you guys so wicked? See who you ask for Bond Street? Is his Bond Street?
What is my business with his bond? If he wants me to be his girlfriend, he should afford a Bond Street.
Okay, see, Bonham Street.
One man.
I get daughter when no too cost, I beg.
You don't see him now.
So this guy find the said saloon there for this our federal police. VND saloon. Wow. My brother. How are you? Oh, but this place fine. How much are they use barb hair? The barb is 2K. Ordinary 2,000 to barb my hair. And the people like they still do for women.
Yeah, we get spa with the plate with my hair. Nice, everything.
Eh? When I get spa for here?
Yeah. Spa day, pedicure, manicure, and massage.
Pedicure, manicure, massage. How much for massage?
8K massage.
8,000?
8K, yeah.
I will arrange my money.
I will arrange your money.
So they put 2 names. Nice, oh boy, this place fine. If I want to invite my friends, which address I go tell them?
Okay, tell them say let them come at Winter Suit Plaza.
Winter Suit Plaza.
Around Poly Road.
For Poly Road?
Yeah.
For there?
For there.
Bad guy. Oh boy, I will come. VND Salute. No wahala, my brother. I will come tomorrow. Make I come back from barbing. I will go do spa. From spa, I will do pedicure. I say I just come make inquiries. Okay?
You must not be sent to you.
Which hair? You don't get hair now.
You go faint too. You go faint.
Jesus!
Body go tell you.
Hey!
What do you want from today?
Funny people.
Hello.
Fine boy. Oh. You're resting on my car.
Oh, sorry, your car. Oh, sorry, please. I don't want to take your time. Please, can I have your number?
Oh, sure.
Oh, all right. Thank you. Wow.
What did you say with us?
IamDike.
Oh, I have a lot of IamDike. Save it as IamDike driver.
Jesus!
Don't worry, you start tomorrow.
What do you mean? Please, come on, take your phone, Joe. Do I look like a driver to you? Nonsense.
600k per week.
Per week.
So, madam, where are we eating to?
My boyfriend's house.
Okay, ma.
Who take her? You didn't worry you.
Baby, don't come back.
Yes, if I'm back.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you.
But wait, where did you come from?
My parents' house, I told you.
Your parents' house?
Yes.
Well, your brother tell me say you never reach since say you did school since now.
My brother.
Now. Hey! Come, I don't need to talk much. Where you go?
Let's have it.
I went to trade Bitcoin with my classmates.
It's everything?
I escort my classmates to trade the Bitcoin together.
Jesus. Wait, I be like someone picking for your eye.
No, I can't be lying to you.
Wait, I meant I don't tell you say if you want to do a Bitcoin and gift card, make sure that goodness in. Say they are rate na blast, it's not for fast, they be speed. I meant I don't tell you.
Oh, we went to the office to trade it together.
Wait, now go to the exchange office, go trade the Bitcoin.
Yes.
I'm saying better Bitcoin, I go trade with that too.
Of course, baby.
Yeah? I'm saying better money say go see the your hand now.
Not really, oh.
See, I borrowed 200k with you go na family house before. And now I really need that money now. You go see now give me like this.
So I'm looking for how many months ago, babe?
See, I need that now. Say now give me.
Oh, it's fine. I will do it later. I'm just gonna drop my bag.
It's everything.
Let's have it.
Later I will do it. I'm still around.
See, as a human being, we are bound to forget. Just send me the money before I go forget.
Babe.
Send that for me now.
Let's have it.
For your account.
Put off my takers bank.
Okay. Check your account.
You don't say now?
Yes, check.
If my family you send me you.
Yeah, baby. Just buy some fuel and some food stuff in the house.
Oh yeah, no problem now.
Okay.
You know blast.
Who be that?
Vivian is mean.
Hey! Hey, my bro, come in. Viewers, let's watch this video.
Alpha guy.
Hey, my bro, I greet you.
Babe, forget your power bank.
My power bank.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hey, bro, can you date my sister?
Yes, not me.
Eh?
And she don't tell me many things about you.
Eh?
Yes.
I mean, they take care of her more.
You do well, my brother.
Hey, my bro, if you give me something, mama, I feel they take care of her more.
You deserve them.
Eh?
I just trade my Bitcoin with golden exchange right now, so something they pocket.
She tell me now.
I call you this thing.
Okay.
Now for here,
218
blast.
44 610.
Which bank?
Take us bank.
Okay.
I just check my just run.
Just now?
Yeah. You know my confirm.
Blast! If I'm ready, send me you.
Yeah. Don't use and take care of yourself.
My God,
Leave your
I'm
sister for me.
right
I will take care of
now.
her.
Yes.
Yes.
See, with expectation, if you are good, I'll update you massively.
No problem.
Yeah.
Now.
Hey, bro, why your wife not follow you now?
She talk say if I no bring her come, you go there bored. Now why I bring her more?
Me I not there bored though. Why they follow you now?
Yeah, baby, let's go now.
Let's have it.
Thank you, my brother.
Hey, Anna, happy married life.
This guy, That's better.
Why is neighbor?
How may I help you?
Where is neighbor?
His neighbor. Oh, he's inside. Hello.
Yeah. How is it? What is it doing? Is it bath or what?
Yeah, he's having a bath.
Okay. No, you know that I've come. I don't even know where I've come back to. I just said, let me just come and try my luck. Where? It's shit, bruh. What's your name? What's your name again? Hey, Sharon. Oh, sorry, no.
Sharon.
Hey, Cynthia. But we were telling you this morning, quick.
Yeah.
Hey, Cynthia, funny, good. You have come back.
Baby! Cynthia was here this morning.
No, neighbor, you're back. I don't know where you're back. I just come and check. We are. When I was.
How you doing now?
I'm good. Yeah, I just come and you say we watch ball.
But it's not time yet now.
I like to watch that premise analysis songs. Yeah, I've met her.
You let him in?
Baby, who is Cynthia?
Do you know this guy? Now my neighbor, I just met him last week. Just moved in here last week, bro.
Oh now, it's 2 weeks ago now that we are now in Monday.
Yeah, 2 weeks. You come because friend.
So baby, who is Cynthia?
God have mercy upon us.
So we say later for the premise analysis.
So I leave you for 1 month
Where
and
they
you are
go?
cheating already.
Which guy? What's that for here?
No, that's the later. For the premise analysis.
So I leave
Yeah.
1 month. 1 month.
Peace.
We're gonna punish you. Your pieces on you.
Can I see your phone?
If we are go first blow for your eye.
Shit!
Sounds going for the next one outside and put it inside. Just turn back and go. Just turn back like that and go.
Baby, have you seen my family?
No need, oh.
No need. Mom, Dad, what's up?
Jesus. You still relax. We're getting better taking mess. Scatter everywhere. Your babe don't carry
updates.
Scatter everywhere.
God have mercy upon us.
Who be that? Chiso.
You want knock?
Now this guy bring up for the ritual.
Hey, wait.
I bet liver and they don't use them. That's what they do for you. I don't tell you. Do the kind of way they bring come for this ritual. Not before they don't use finish.
What type of plane is this?
What they go, Joe?
They are going. You have escaped. Calm down.
Wait till they are Chiso.
Okay.
They look face.
Thaedoboy say you don't use me. But wait, who can't use me?
Just the play.
Agkaay, I don't go agree.
It's men acting like women.
You know tomorrow is my birthday.
Oh wow.
Hey, wait.
I mean, happy birthday in advance.
Thank you.
I mean, that's great. So what do you do for fun?
And I'm expecting my gift too.
Gift?
Gift.
We just made today now.
Hey, voila. So you know, I just met today, but if the tables were turned, I went to they always they turn. But it's really crazy. It's really crazy. Like you meet a girl, you're trying to have a conversation, and then the next 2 days she's already telling you her birthday is in a week's time. You know? I really understand. And it's not like, okay, it's not a bad thing that your birthday is in a week's time, but the fact that you're actually expecting this person to do something for you on your birthday, I don't understand. And the truth is that the most annoying part is that people have turned this birthday thing into something else, like something else. You see people, they carry birthday for her like saying or something else, you know? Anyways, I don't know. For me, it doesn't sit right, you get. But guys, thanks for watching. I believe you enjoyed yourself. You can tell me your favorite part of the video. I'll try as much as possible. In fact, I will respond to every comment. Tell me your favorite part of the video. And check out my other videos. There's so many of them on my channel. Check them out. Trust me, you will love them. And like always, see you in the next one. Peace and love.